Are you buried under mountains of milk jugs? Do you like to feed the birds in your yard? I've got a hack for you.
Mommy hacks! Mommy hacks!
So, this is what I have. I have chicken feed. That's gonna work as our bird seed. I've got a milk jug, twine. I mean, you can see what I have. This knife, just in case. You never know how this is gonna go. So I'm gonna cut a hole. Here's my handle. I'm gonna cut a hole here and a hole here. Does that make sense, guys?
I'm confused.
This is what we're gonna do.
Tell me a different way.
2 matching holes. Oh. Borrow your friend's sharp pocket knife. Okay. So let's say you want to do this with your kids, maybe? Let's see if scissors. Yeah, they work. Yeah. All right. Oh, the milk jug is nice to us today. Matching line here. I don't know if you can see it. So I use my knife to make 4 tiny little holes on the bottom for air. I have no idea the length of twine you need. You should probably look at where you're putting it. I'm gonna take my knife, put a hole in the top. We're gonna take our length of jute or whatever you're using, fold it in half. Got a washer here. Put the washer on. Pull your 2 ends. Why did that not work? What's happening here? Why is that not? Oh, there we go. What just happened? Okay, we're gonna take these 2 ends. We're gonna go through the underneath of the cap. There we go.
Look at that.
Whoa. Okay, screw your lid on. There you go. We're gonna tie this guy. You can tie it onto a branch or wherever you're hanging it. Now we're gonna take our bird seed, fill up the bottom. It's done. There's lots of ways you can dress this up. People decorate them, make them look more attractive. You can even do this with pop bottles, like 2 liters. The half-gallon milk jugs. I'm sure there's other things. I don't know, pop can. I don't know. There's got to be other things you can do with milk jugs. Other ways, instead of just like throwing them in your trash can in your recycling bin, there's got to be ways that these things are useful.
So we use ours to keep milk in.
Shut up.
Sometimes I use it to put water in. Kool-Aid once in a while.
Commentary from the crowd. I don't know. Let us know, guys. Put them in the comments. What do you do with all your leftover milk jugs? I think these things could solve several problems in your house.
I throw mine away.
You would. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to
subscribe.
Thank you.
Hit the bell.
Like the video.
Be my friend.
Yay!
Tell everybody about us. Spread the word. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Mommy hacks! Mommy hacks!
And the other one says, what do I look like? A radio?
That's so stupid.